Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. I'm Sandhya and I do easy and quick Indian recipes on my channel. Do check out my channel, and if you like it, please do subscribe, like and share. So I'm doing a series on my channel called Breakfast India where I try breakfast recipes from all over India. Today is episode 21 in that series and I'm making bajra roti and garlic chutney or lasun ki chutney from the state of Rajasthan. To watch the earlier episodes of this series, I'll leave a link above. Please do click and watch them after you watch this video. So to make the bajra roti, we need the bajra flour, a little bit of salt and a little bit of whole wheat flour or atta. So I've got all of this in a bowl. Let's mix all of it. I've kept some warm water ready in here. Let's add it gradually and make a soft dough. So I've kneaded it well and it made a soft dough like this. Now let's divide this into equal portions. I've taken one ball of the dough and smoothen it out without any cracks. Put in some whole wheat flour. And now we're going to roll it into a roti. It has to be a thick roti. Don't make it too thin. We'll make the rest of the roti in the same way. I've got a tawa on medium flame. I'm going to put the roti on the tawa. We'll cook this until some blisters start appearing on the surface. If there are cracks forming, then you can apply a little bit of water on top of the roti. Let's flip this to the other side. We'll pick the roti and cook it on the flame directly until some spots appear. So that's bajra roti and lasun ki chutney ready for you. This is a very nice dish which needs to be served hot. Once the bajra roti cools down, it becomes very hard. So you make sure that you cook them only when you're ready to eat. I hope you liked today's recipe. If you did, please do try it at home and let me know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. And when subscribing, please do click the bell. Until I see you next time, bye-bye.